The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm
What's
warning
it for?
north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:49
Looks like
p.m.,
we're currently getting closer
was
enough.
located over Bowling Brook, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
That's gotta be for
Hazard,
that's gonna
60
be
miles per hour with
impacting
gusts
Chicago,
and penny-sized
Illinois.
hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage.
That's gonna impact Chicago and the other Chicago suburbs, cities, and villages.
Chicago, Cicero, Bowling Brook, Orland Park, Oak Lawn,
Not Tinley Park, but we'll be determining if the severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Tinley Park.
Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Midway Airport, Burbank, and Oak Forest.
Chicago Midway is currently affecting.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.